In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Shopify products on eBay. We'll link your Shopify store to eBay using Shopify's Marketplace Connect app so your products, inventory, and orders stay in sync. Before you start, make sure you can log into your Shopify admin and you have an eBay seller account ready. First, head to shopify.com and sign into your store's admin. From the admin sidebar, open Apps. This is where you manage integrations that extend your store. Inside Apps, use the search or the Shopify App Store to look for Shopify Marketplace Connect. This is Shopify's official tool for connecting sales channels like eBay. It lets you create listings, sync inventory, and manage eBay orders right from Shopify, which saves a lot of time. When you find it, click Install. Review the permission prompts carefully, since the app needs access to your products, orders, and settings to sync correctly. Approve the install and wait a moment for the setup to complete. After installation, return to your apps list and open Marketplace Connect. You'll land on a dashboard with available marketplaces. Find eBay and choose Connect Account. You'll be redirected to eBay to authorize the connection. Sign in to the correct eBay account and confirm the region or site you sell on, such as the US, UK, or another locale. eBay will show an access request. Click Acknowledge and continue to grant the app permission to manage listings and sync data on your behalf. This is required for inventory updates, price changes, and order flow between both platforms. Once you see the confirmation that your eBay account is connected, you can start selling your Shopify products on eBay. In Marketplace Connect, select the products you want to list, check their titles, descriptions, images, and categories, and make sure shipping, returns, and tax settings match your eBay policies. Consider setting pricing rules, like rounding or currency adjustments, to keep your catalog consistent. If you already have listings on eBay, use the linking options so duplicates aren't created. From here on, inventory will sync automatically as items sell, and new eBay orders will appear in Shopify so you can fulfill them with your normal workflow. If something doesn't show up right away, give the sync a minute and refresh. Keep an eye on any error messages for missing category specifics or shipping details. Fix those inside the app and republish. That's it, your store is connected and you're ready to reach eBay's marketplace without double data entry.